One of the biggest fears I hear from immigrants is, I was arrested. Does this mean I can never get a green card? Can I be deported? Is my immigration case over? And the answer is, it depends. A criminal record can have serious immigration consequences, but not every arrest or conviction automatically destroys someone's immigration options. The details matter. Hi, I'm David Keller, and I'm an immigration and criminal attorney. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most misunderstood areas of immigration law, how criminal records can impact your immigration status. We'll discuss arrests versus convictions, why certain crimes create immigration problems, what happens when someone accepted a plea deal without understanding the consequences, and how options like Padilla motions may help in certain circumstances. Many people think, I already handled my criminal case, I paid my fine, I completed probation, why would immigration still care? And the reason is because immigration law looks at criminal history different than criminal courts do. A criminal court is focused on whether someone violated criminal law and what punishment applies. Immigration, on the other hand, is focused on whether that same conduct affects somebody's ability to receive or maintain an immigration benefit. So, a case that seems resolved in criminal court may still create questions in an immigration case. One of the most important things to understand is the difference between an arrest and a conviction. Being arrested does not automatically mean someone committed a crime. An arrest means that there was an allegation. A conviction means there was a legal finding of guilt or a plea that resulted in a conviction under the law. Immigration authorities will often look closely at what happened after the arrest. Was the case dismissed? Was there a plea agreement? Was there a conviction? What offense was involved? What sentence was imposed? Those details can completely change the immigration analysis. Not every case has the same impact, and not every crime has the same impact. Immigration law has very specific categories that can create problems. Certain offenses can affect eligibility for a green card, create issues during naturalization, or even place someone at risk in immigration court. Some examples may include crimes involving fraud or dishonesty, domestic violence-related issues, certain drug offenses, crimes considered aggravated felonies under immigration law, multiple convictions under certain circumstances. But this is exactly why people should not rely on general information online. The specific facts of your case matter. Another major issue happens when someone accepts a plea agreement without understanding how it could affect their immigration future. Many immigrants are told, this is just a minor charge, or you won't go to jail, just take this deal and move on. But what they may not be told is that even a plea agreement can have immigration consequences. A person may accept a deal thinking that they're avoiding the bigger problem, while unknowingly creating a problem with their green card, citizenship, or ability to even remain in the United States. This is where Padilla motions become an important topic. The Supreme Court case Padilla versus Kentucky recognized that non-citizens have a right to understand the potential immigration consequences of a guilty plea. If an attorney failed to properly advise someone about those consequences, and that failure affected the person's decision to accept the plea, there may be a possibility of changing that conviction. However, a Padilla motion is not automatic. It requires reviewing what advice was given, what the immigration consequences were, whether proper advice would have changed the person's decision, the details of the criminal case, and these cases require very careful legal analysis. If you have a criminal record and you're worried about immigration consequences, the first step is not to panic. The first step is understanding exactly what happened. Gather your court records, the police reports if available, final dispositions, plea agreements, sentencing information, and let an immigration attorney review those documents and explain what risks or options may exist. A criminal record does not always mean the end of your immigration journey, but ignoring it or assuming it doesn't matter can create serious problems. If you have a criminal history and are applying for immigration benefits, trying to keep your status, or worried about your future in the United States, contact our office to schedule a consultation. We can review your situation, explain your options, and help you understand the best path forward.